Happy Valley was founded quite a few years ago. We've opened 2 retail locations, our 1 production facility here, 200 employees. We're fully vertically integrated in the cannabis industry. We manufacture all of our own products, we cultivate ourselves, as well as dispense in retail. There's a common phrase in the industry, seed to sale, and that's truly what we are.
Before Acumatica, we were operating our inventory management out of what I refer to as our Excel ERP. Lots of corruption and issues with people stepping on each other's digital toes, trying to work in the same workbooks at the same time.
Some of the biggest challenges were the fact that we have like 13 companies. 90% of the activity flows through one, but it's still 13 P&Ls, balance sheets, cash flow statements. It's a whole reporting package each month ends. Visibility and being able to track stuff and being able to prove when we're paying an invoice, did we receive all this material, was very difficult and very manual. Duplicate payments would happen. QuickBooks was wide open. You could change a bill 6 months after it had been paid. We didn't use chart of account numbers, they were just account names.
Everything is just right at the tip of your finger. What supplies that we have, what our inventories are, what our production schedule is, everything like that is just in one place. We have to use a state tracking system called Metrc, and the integration of Acumatica and Metrc has just been flawless.
So one great thing about Acumatica is switching from companies. It's just like click a button in the top right corner and I'm in my new company. Another big piece is our annual audit. Acumatica is so much easier to go back and search for previous invoices, payments.
Quantum Leap Solutions is with us in every step of the process. They have Acumatica developers on their team. We're constantly interacting with them through tickets, cadence calls, doing custom development work. We're constantly validating the software together. They are our partners. It wouldn't be possible without them.
This industry changes so often as regulations aren't really set yet, so we constantly have to adapt. And that's where Acumatica really helped to keep flexible and nimble as we keep moving, so that way we don't slow down their growth.
At this point, it's really part of our DNA. We have a genetics program. With Acumatica, we're able to capture extremely valuable data around that process of genetic selection. We're getting to a point where I can tell you this product from this batch cost me X to produce and get to point of sale, and the same product from a different batch cost me Y to produce, and here's why there's a differential.
Anything that we can do to make our products more efficiently, be organized with everything that we do is going to drive our costs down and be able to pass that savings along to the consumer.